Very good evening, traders. I'm Nalakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. I'm recording live in the Nifty. What happened to the Nifty? It did gap open here to the level of 23,300. The low was 23,226.4. Let me enable the magnet so that it will pick up properly. Low of this candle, 23,145.8. Okay. So immediately it was the previous day, a little bit above the previous day low. Previous day, 23,132, and it made a low. And it was everybody might have thought, even me also thought, it is going to break down the way Gift Nifty was showing the prices around 300 points. We were prepared for that. But the immediate candle, you can see the first 5-minute candle, it was a positive candle. Positive candle, and it started quickly moving within 5 minutes candle and 4 5 minutes candle, it moved higher. After that, it did not fall at all. See, these are the Gann square of 9 sequences, 9 box sequences. The break of structure came around second candle. That's why it is plotting the second. After the second, you can see the sixth coming at 940, and it was holding the second candle low and high. So it started moving higher, and so up to 19 means 1045 hourly. It was in the range of, totally in the range of 23,250 to 23,308. So such an horrible trade. Nobody could have traded unless if somebody would have got into call option immediately, they would have made money till 10:25. 1 hour. 1 hour, it fetched the money here. Our first 5-minute candle worked over here. So it was a very, very narrow range. Till now, it is running in a narrow range. So it is holding this level. The first 6-minute, that is 940. And this is 11, that is 10.5. The whole levels are held throughout the day. This level, it is held, it is in a, so finally the market is going to finish off in this range. So let us see what has happened over here. Let me hide all the indicators so that you can see properly. The market here, let me zoom it. You can clearly see the structure over here. What is the structure? It had fallen and it moved up to 23,350. 340, I believe. Yeah, 350. Yesterday it was 350. And today it gapped down. It did not break this level. It did not break this level, and it is an inside day. So today it is going to end with an inside day. Let me write down this. Inside day. Inside day or signal days. So this is Thursday and this is Friday, previous week. Monday, there was no Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. This is Tuesday. Tuesday's range. Wednesday and Thursday are within the range. And even Tuesday's last hour, it has ended in a range. So it is completely in a range. Okay, what you need to do is on an hourly chart, go to the hourly chart. Since it is an inside day, and mark the high and mark the 1230 high. This is the 1230 high. Okay, let me mark the 1230 high. 12 o'clock, 12:15. Okay. 12:15 high and previous day 12:15. Where is the 12:15 previous day? 10:15 and 2:15. This is 10:15, 11:15. Yes, this is also 12:15. It made an high, found resistance around the same level. So it had traveled up to this level, 12:15 level morning, and it held this. So you need to mark these levels and the final level, the opening level of this. Previous day, what is the opening is 23,158 and today's low is 23,145. So it is not an inside day. I thought it was an inside day. It is not an inside day because it has made a lower low. It was 23,158 and it is a made a lower low. So this is invalidated. Inside day is invalidated because it has put leg outside. And if you see the structure over here, this was consolidation on 2 days, 27 and 28. Let us put a box over here. This is continuation, consolidation, continuation, and consolidation. Let us write that continuation, consolidation, and this is continuation. And today's low is a liquidity grab. 23,145 and this low is 23,158. So liquidity grab. So since it has taken liquidity beneath this, probably the market tomorrow, a sort of up move can be seen in the market. It can move towards this, and if we put an volume profile or anything, okay, let me put the volume profile. Let me take out this sequence and put the market profile. Profile by spaceman. So I'm putting this market profile by spaceman. So let me change it to it maybe inputs. Let us see. It is 4 hour, no problem. So when it is 4 hour, so let me make it to 5 minutes chart. Let us see where are they. So point of control is here. Point of control, and the value area here, and value area had increased. Now, if you see value area is, there is decrease in the value area and point of control. So probably market, there is a buying came yesterday. This will act as a support. That's why it has taken liquidity. Probably, and there is an imbalance over here in this area. Market may try to move higher tomorrow. Market may try to move higher. Let me hide this market profile. And since it has made a low, and if I put the circles over here, sideways, so 180 degrees here, probably market can go up to seek the liquidity. To seek the liquidity, the targets may be 24,440, 14 to 445. The market can go. So it has trapped and it has confused the people. It is an halt and it may reverse tomorrow. It has been distributed for 2 to 3 days. So it may go like this and it may start coming down. The market has not completed its correction. So it may pop up and it may start moving down. So you need to be careful. This is the price action. What is the price action? What you are seeing is after the continuation, market is undergoing through. This is not continuation. This was the continuation. And this is consolidation. It has consolidated in this area. So it has taken a liquidity grab over here today beneath this, and probably there may be continuation tomorrow to the level of 23,422 to 23,500. So we can anticipate this is the price action. It is confusing for all the traders. So you need to be very watchful, and instead of falling below this area, they have stopped it and market has gone sideways. And most probably the market can continue downwards. Friday's close is very important. How the Friday will close, it only if the market starts moving above this level. If it starts moving above this level, then only we can anticipate for the reversal in the market, and that means it has completed its correction. We can anticipate. But what I see is there is an imbalance over here. This imbalance has to be balanced. Market is taking time to do this, so the price action is a bit tricky. You people have to understand the price action. So probably there was not much trade unless you would have entered into the option buying, call option buying only in the morning session itself. Up to 10 o'clock, it was valid. So another trade was, I had noticed Jubilant Food from the yesterday itself. Let me go to the daily chart. Yesterday, it had shown, okay, let me hide this indicate levels so that you can see. You can see the price yesterday after the 3 days lower close, there was a positive close. I anticipated for it was in my watch list. The targets for this Jubilant Food will be from here. If I calculate, it can go up to. This is a swing trade. You can see very well see there is consolidation liquidity grab over here. And before continuation, there is a liquidity grab. Before continuation, liquidity grab. Continuation, consolidation, consolidation, and the market has moved higher. Even in this consolidation box, whenever you see this, in this consolidation box, the market Jubilant Food started moving higher from the level of 600 and low was 646. So today, how you could have taken trade Jubilant Food 700 call option I tracked, and it was around opening bell, it came around 13 rupees, and I had marked the Jubilant Food levels and calculated that. 1 minute, I'll show it to you. The opening of the 5-minute opening, we'll see. This is the opening of it opened around, not today, it opened here. Sorry, I went there. Opened around 662 and made a low of 600 and why it is showing like this? Oh, I'm going back actually. Here, it made a low of 679, opened around 679.75 and made an high of 682. So when it made an high, so I went for the calculator. Let me show it to you. Even otherwise, the indicator will give sometimes some initially when market opens, we cannot find immediate levels. Somehow my laptop is little bit slower. It is taking time. I don't know why. It's not opening. Yeah. Sorry for that. It is very, very slow. Jubilant Food opened around 679.75. I'm going to feed in the levels here. When I feed the levels, I'm getting the levels to be 662, that is 66.66, and 26.61 level, I'm getting 672. Let me go there. So I usually what I do is I mark this level 662 and 672. So for the support, that is enough. I'm going to mark this level 600 and 672 and 662. Even pi levels, it is giving the same thing. You can see over here. Pi is also giving the same thing. And 661. even by calculation also you are getting, it did not come make a low of 672, it made a low of 674 and market within two candles it started moving and there was no look back. Slowly and steadily, though it was choppy, the Jubilant Food and the 700 call option came down to 13.45. I was able to enter around 14.5, and now it went up to 19. So I closed it. I didn't want to hold the position. I closed it. So from 14 to 19 is not a uh, less number. That is 4.5 rupees for the Jubilant Food. It has fetched a very good. So like this you can trade, and these sequences, Gann sequences will, if you follow this very carefully, they will show you time-wise support and resistance. This is the second candle, second time support. When the market could not fall below this acted as the support, and the sixth means around 6 bars. 30 minutes. And then if you drag it, it's climbing up. So you can make out it is not at all violating the second bar and the sixth bar levels, and the market is moving. Then you can comfortably hold the position and you can hold. It is a trendy structure. It has completed like this. Let us check what Nifty is doing. Nifty is just, going up and down, just an premium has been decayed. That's it. Both the call option, put option premiums are becoming zero, or they are, it has been decaying. So nothing else. No trade. Only every day, I tell you, I swear, actually, every day in the first hour, you get the trade. As an option buyer, if you follow strictly the rules, and the 5-minute strategy is fetching you money. Whether it is a down move or an up move, if you follow it with discipline and rules, you are going to make money. For example, let us go to the 23,200 call option. See, 23,200 call option, it came down to 36 rupees and rallied up to 49. So if you go in the money, we need to see, because they had already decayed. 23,100 call option had value. So I selected this. See, it came down to 95, rallied up to 175 within 9:30 itself. Later, it came down again, and you got another second entry to up to the target of 203. What more you want? So whether it is a gap down or gap up, you just follow the 5-minute strategy with very, very strictly, then you can make money. So same thing I'm going to repeat. This is the red candle gapping down and gapping down within the area. Just what you need to do is you need to take the tool, mark high and low. This is the 50%, 50 percentage. And when the price starts moving up to the 50 percentage, then there was a reaction and it made an higher low, and it just started moving higher. So it made a two-way type of trend structure within the 10 o'clock, 10:15. So this was the trade. After that, there was no trade. No trade at all. No one should trade as an option buyer in this area. Market has presented a very good movement in the morning itself. Whoever taken the 23,100 call option, they have made money. They have made money it gave a second entry around 126, and from 126 it rallied up to 212. Okay, friends, this is how one need to watch and trade carefully. I've analyzed the market in my own way. Tomorrow we can anticipate, we have to anticipate some sort of up move in the market, and then later it may turn downwards until the Nifty moves above 23,500. Till that time, it is just a pullback with so many. So since it has taken liquidity, I'm anticipating for the continuation move in the market. So it can continue up to here 23,500. You can anticipate 23,500 level tomorrow unless it breaks below. Unless it breaks below this. Since there is a liquidity grab, we can anticipate for a continuation in the market. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.